Xiaomi has once again raised the bar in the realm of home automation, with the introduction of its cutting-edge robot vacuum, the Xiaomi Mijia all-in-one sweep and mop robot M30 Pro. This latest addition to Xiaomi's lineup comes equipped with a range of innovative features developed to elevate the cleaning experience. One of the standout features of the M30 Pro is its unique hair-cutting base, incorporating a high-strength stainless steel cutting module. After completing its cleaning tasks, the robot seamlessly returns to its base, where it undergoes a rotation and sideways movement to efficiently trim hair tangled in its roller brush. The trimmed hair is then suctioned into a dust box, ensuring optimal performance in subsequent cleaning sessions. This intelligent cleaning marvel doesn't stop there. The M30 Pro boasts advanced technology, including AI-based object recognition capable of identifying 55 types of objects. Moreover, an AI dirt recognition algorithm provides real-time identification of dirt types, allowing for intelligent re-sweeping. This level of sophistication ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning process. The robot's capabilities extend to various surfaces and challenges. It features LED night vision for low-light conditions, LDS laser navigation for precise 360-degree scanning and mapping, a powerful 7,000 pascals fan, smart carpet recognition, and automatic mop lifting to prevent damage to carpets during cleaning. Addressing the need for effective mopping, the M30 Pro can heat water to 60 degrees centigrade, facilitating the dissolution of tough stains like sauce. Additionally, it incorporates a hot air drying system that dries the mop in just 2 hours, eliminating the hassle of manual drying. Developed for convenience, the robot includes a dual airway automatic dust collection system, significantly reducing the frequency of emptying the dust bag to once every 75 days. With a large 4 liters clean water tank and a dirty water tank, the M30 Pro claims to clean areas of up to 240 square meters in one session, making it ideal for larger living spaces. Optional automatic water supply and drainage capabilities further enhance its versatility. The robot is powered by a robust 4800 mAh battery, ensuring extended cleaning sessions. The app also offers customization features, including scheduling and restricted area settings. The M30 Pro seamlessly integrates with other Xiaomi smart devices, enabling automated cleaning routines based on user presence. The Xiaomi Mijia all-in-one sweep and mop robot M30 Pro, with its cutting-edge features and advanced cleaning capabilities, is currently available for purchase on JD.com at a competitive price of 46.99 yuan or $663. This price point positions it as a premium offering in the robot vacuum market, reflecting the innovative technologies and functionalities it brings to the table. In the ever-evolving landscape of smart home technology, Xiaomi's Mijia all-in-one sweep and mop robot M30 Pro stands out as a powerful and intelligent solution for efficient and convenient home cleaning. Whether you are tackling everyday dirt or more stubborn stains, this robot vacuum is poised to redefine the standards of automated cleaning in the modern household. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I expect them in the comments. Have a good day and God bless you.